Welcome to GC Reddy Technologies, an important topic and a trending topic, Agile, Introduction to Agile Testing. Software development is not a single task. It is a process. We have different phases in software development. Example, requirements gathering, analysis and planning, design, software design, coding or implementation, testing, next last one, release and maintenance. It is general software development process or software development life cycle. And we have different models available in the industry for software development. Waterfall model, sequential model, V model, prototype model, spiral model, and important one, trending model, agile development models. In agile is not a single model. In agile, we have various methodologies that we will discuss. Agile methodology is a practice that promotes continuous iteration of development and testing throughout the software development life cycle of the project. Agile is an iterative development methodology where both development and testing activities are concurrent. Testing is not a separate phase. Coding and testing are done interactively and incrementally. First one, what is Agile testing? Testing in Agile software development model. Agile testing is a software testing practice that follows the principles of Agile software development, and it involves testing from the customer perspective. Testing is not a separate phase, and it is interwoven with all the development phases such as requirements, design, and coding. Testing takes place simultaneously throughout the development life cycle. Agile testing covers all the levels of testing: unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. Next, all types of testing: functional testing, non-functional testing, etc. Next, Agile methodologies. See, we already discussed it. We have different Agile methodologies. Agile is not a single model. Agile development models. We have various Agile methodologies available in the industry. Example, Scrum, Extreme Programming or EXP, Crystal, FDD, Feature Driven Development, DSDM, Dynamic Software Development Method, Lean Software Development, Kanban, Adaptive Software Development. All these are methodologies of Agile. Next, principles of Agile testing. Testing is not a phase. Agile team tests continuously, and continuous testing is the only way to ensure continuous progress. Second one, everyone tests. In conventional SDLC, conventional means general practice. In conventional SDLC, only test team tests, while in Agile, including developers and BA, test the application. Next, third one, shortening feedback response time. In conventional SDLC, only during the acceptance testing, the business team will get to know the product development. While in Agile, for each and every iteration, they are involved and continuous feedback shortens the feedback's response time, and cost involved in fixing is also less. Next, clean code. Raised defects are fixed within the same iteration and thereby keeping the code clean. Next, reduce test documentation. Instead of very lengthy documentation, Agile testers use reusable checklist. Focus on the essence of the test rather than the incidental details. Next, test driven. In conventional methods, testing is performed after implementation, while in Agile testing, testing is done while implementation. Next one, recommendation or information. Best practices of Agile testing. Automated unit tests, test-driven development. Next, automated regression tests. Next, tools used in Agile testing. In Agile projects, testers are responsible for support the developers in coding with clarifications on the expected behavior of the system. Develop automation scripts and integrate automation test scripts with continuous integration for regression testing. For an effective implementation of these tasks, a continuous integration CI, continuous integration system that supports CI of code and test components is used in most of the Agile projects. The tools that are widely used are Hudson CI framework, Selenium functional testing integrated with Hudson. Next, Cruise Control CI framework, JUnit Java unit test, NUnit .NET unit test, ANT Java build automation, NANT .NET build automation, NANT, Jira Agile testing as well as project management, SOAP UI functional testing of web services, JMeter performance testing in Agile development, etc. Next, advantages and disadvantages of Agile model. Advantages: even late changes in requirements are welcomed. Next, customer satisfaction by rapid, continuous delivery of useful software. Next, people and interactions are emphasized rather than the process and tools. Customer, developers, and testers constantly interact with each other. Next, working software is delivered frequently, weeks rather than months. Next, face-to-face conversation is the best form of communication. Next, close daily cooperation between business people and developers. Next, regular adaptation to changing circumstances. Next, disadvantage of Agile. As it is highly customer-centric, so it can pose problem when the customer does not have the clear understanding of the product and the process. Next, lack of formal documentation and designing leads to very high dependency on the individuals for training and other tasks. Next, for complex projects, the resource requirement and effort are difficult to estimate. Next, frequent deliveries, feedback, and collaboration can be very demanding for some customers.